Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in 2025. If you've ever received money through Zelle and wondered how to get it into your Wells Fargo account seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, secure, and perfect for anyone managing their finances on the go. First off, let's quickly cover the basics. Zelle is a popular app that lets you send and receive money instantly using just a phone number or email. Wells Fargo, one of the top banks in the US, integrates smoothly with Zelle, making deposits a breeze. But before we jump in, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone and a verified Wells Fargo account. If not, head to your app store and get started. It's free. Step 1. Open the Zelle app and sign in or create an account. If you're new, you'll need to link your Wells Fargo debit card or bank account. This is crucial because it allows Zelle to transfer funds directly. Go to the Settings or Profile section, select Add a bank account, and follow the prompts. Wells Fargo users might see a one-time verification code sent via text or email. Enter that to confirm. Once linked, Step 2 is receiving money. When someone sends you funds through Zelle, it typically hits your linked Wells Fargo account in minutes. But in 2025, with updated security features, you might get a notification to approve the transaction for added protection. Keep an eye on your Zelle app for any pending transfers. Step 3. Check your Wells Fargo account. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app or log in online, and navigate to your transaction history. The deposited amount should appear almost immediately. If it's not there, double-check for any holds or verify the sender used your correct details. Now, a few quick tips for 2025. Always use the latest app versions for enhanced security features like biometric login. Watch out for potential fees. Most Zelle transfers are free, but confirm with Wells Fargo. And if you run into issues, contact Wells Fargo customer support through their app. They've improved their response times significantly. There you have it. That's how you deposit money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in just a few simple steps. It's all about staying connected and in control of your money. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.